So hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss the stack permutation problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So we are given two arrays A and B of unique elements. Okay, so each element is different of size n. Okay guys, and we have to check if one array is a stack permutation of the other array or not. Like what is stack permutation means? It means that one array can be created from another array using a stack and stack operation. Now what is stack operation? This is a array, and okay, this is a stack is like a container. We push a element here and next element. This is a topmost element, and if we want to use the element, then we cannot use these element. We can only use the uppermost element. Now if we use it, then uppermost will become this, then this is the uppermost. Now stack is empty, so we cannot access any element. So we have to find out whether we can make a permutation or not. Okay, so for example, like, this is a very simple problem. First of all, you just need to learn how can we show that one is a permutation or not. Okay guys, so what we are doing, we are taken two pointer like I and j. Now what is I and j? I means I, this is I, and okay, this is j. I means the next pointer, I means the element we need to add in our stack. This is our stack. Okay, this is our stack, initially empty, stack s. Now I is the next element required to add in my stack. Okay, and j is the element, current element, which we need to match with the stack top element. Okay guys, now why top element? Because we can only access top element. So first of all, we will take one. I move to 2 and push back 1 in my stack. Now 1 is in my stack. Now jth element is 2. Now we will match whether 2 is equal to 1. No. So it means this element is of no use for us at the moment. Okay. For this jth element, this stack top element is of no use for us. We will take 2 increment I, push back 2 in our push 2 in our stack. Now 2 is equal to 2. Yes, means this is the element. If we pop out this element, then extract element is 2. It means we have completely matched this element. Now we need to match next element. This is 1, this is 1. We pop out 1, means we match this one as well. Means j means, if now j will point to 3, j means this much string or this much element of a vector we already match with previous vector, with previous array a. Vector means vector and array are same. If you are new, then vector and array are same. Vector is just C++ term and array is C and C++. Okay, vector and array are same. Now means 2 and 1 are completely matched. Now stack is empty, so we cannot match 3 because we don't have any element in my stack. Now stack is, now we will push back 3. We'll push back 3. So we will match 3 is equal to 3. Yes, 3 is equal to 3. J will point to end of the array means n. Because this is 0 based indexing, so j is equal to n. This is empty. Stack is empty. Okay guys. So now what we need to do? Okay, so one more example we are going to see. One more example. Okay, I just change this example a little more. Just okay. So here you can see 1 2 3. From 1 to 3 we can make 2 1 3. Okay guys. And from, if we make A to B, then we can also make B to A. Okay, only the operation are changed. But if we can make A to B, then we can also make a B to A using stack permutation and operation. Now if I change it, why I am changing it, I will explain you. Suppose this is 4, this is 3, and this is okay. So this is the example for us. Now we have match. Okay, let's do it from starting. I, J, we will push back 1, increment I. 2 is equal to top? No. We will push back next top 2, increment I. 2 is equal to 2, yes, pop out 2. Now match 1. 1 is equal to 1, yes, 1 is equal to 1. Now stack will become empty. We are at 4, push back 4. 4 is equal to 3, no, they are not. Push back next element 3. Next element 3. So 3 is equal to 4. 3 is equal to 3. Yes, 3 is equal to 3. Yes, 3 is equal to 3. So we will match this 3. Now we are at 4. 4 is equal to 4. Yes, 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so we can say here as well our complete array match j point to this, and if j point to last, then we can always come here. This loop is of no working, I think. I just try to submit and will explain the code later. Yeah, okay, code is fine. Okay guys, so now initially I am taking two pointer I and j. I represent my a vector, b represent j represent my b vector. I will take a stack. Now while my I less than n means I have some element to add in my a, to I have some element in my a left to add in my stack s. Now I will add ith element, increase ith pointer. Okay, now while my s dot size greater than 0 means I have some element in my stack remaining to compare with b, and topmost element is equal to bj element. I will pop out this element and increment j. Increment j means jth element is matching or is concurred from a vector. Just increase the pointer to see whether we can make next element or not. J plus plus, and at last we just return j is equal to n. J is equal to n will gives us 0 or 1. It will gives us 1 if j is equal to n. J is equal to n means we are at the end of the b vector. It means we have completely matched all the vector, all the element from 0 to n minus 1 index in my b, means we have completely matched vector b from vector a using stack, permutation and operations. Okay, and if j is not is equal to n, it will return a 0. So we will return 0. Okay, so if my j is at the end, we will return 1, unless we will return 0. Okay guys, these are simple stack problem. I hope you will understand the problem, understand the solution, and most importantly you will understand the approach, how we are approaching it. If topmost element is equal to my current bth element, it means we need to extract the current element of from my stack. Okay, because we find a pair matching it. Okay, we find an element matching to it, we will remove it and add new element, check further. Okay guys, so I hope you understand the problem. If not, then first of all do dry run for some cases. This is a very simple stack problem because, and if you still have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned.